Class 11 Physics. Motion in a plane. Part 1. We use the concept of scalars and vectors to understand two-dimensional motion or motion in a plane. A scalar only have magnitude. Example: mass 5 kg have a magnitude of 5. A vector have both magnitude and direction. Example: a velocity 60 km/h north is a vector because the magnitude is 60 and direction north. A vector is basically represented using an arrowhead, but a vector is algebraically represented or represented in component form in general as vector A equals axi plus ayj. For example, if we say velocity equals 3I plus 4j meter per second, it means velocity is 3 meter in x direction and 4 meter in y direction or upward direction. Vector operations include multiplying vector by a scalar, addition of vectors, subtraction of vectors, parallelogram law, etc. Let us look into vector addition as shown in the diagram. The vector A is added to vector B and we get the resultant vector R by adding vector A and B. Addition of vector is also called triangle law. Mathematically, the resultant is found using the parallelogram law as shown in the figure. The resultant R equals square root of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab cos theta. Let us see a sample problem with two forces 3 Newton and 4 Newton acting at 90-degree angle. The resultant of the two forces is found to be 5 Newton using the formula. Motion in a plane, 2D motion, can be thought as object moving in x-axis and y-axis in the same time. So we take a position vector which starts from origin and then locate the object from displacement vector. To understand it from example, let's say an object moves from coordinate pair 2, 3, 2, 5, 7. It means the initial position x equals 2, y equals 3 and final position x equals 5 and y equals 7. You can calculate horizontal change, vertical change and total displacement and calculate the actual distance from the formula shown. The answer is found to be 5 meter. Because the axes are independent, you never solve a 2D problem as one big equation. Instead, you split the problem into two separate columns on your paper and solve them independently using standard kinematic equations. Equations for motion for constant acceleration in a plane is given. So using these equations you can solve a problem on motion in a plane. Video by Anand Mohandas.